Welcome to Destination Jamaica. It's another beautiful day in Jamrock. We're in the Manchester area with the lovely Oswald Bent. He was just telling us about his products. He's a farmer and he has made an amazing product for Jamaicans abroad or anyone abroad who needs this product. So we're talking to Mr. Bent about his journey as a farmer and about his product, which is right here. All right, Mr. Ben. So, how long have you been doing this?
Well, I entered into this in 2017. As I said to you, based on what experience I have with Jamaica Persian, and it was presented to a farmers group in New Forest. We have an agri park in New Forest, and I did a number of workshops. And out of those workshops, these thought came to me, and I took the idea to Scientific Research Council to help me, in order for them to help me to direct me in developing these products.
Yeah, the teas and the
Teas and this powder, thyme powder, the Escallion powder.
and this is the tea.
Right.
Great. So, were you a farmer before? You've been a farmer all your life?
Well, I did that from childhood, but farm is not really my occupation. I'm a classroom. I'm a classroom. I'm a teacher really. But I do farming and I'm part of the Water Users Association group in New Forest. We have an irrigation scheme there that I set up. And out of this, a vast amount of production is going on in that area. And these are some of the main produce we do in New Forest. A lot of scallion, a lot of thyme, along with vegetables and all of that. And so the idea came to me now out of these training that the agriculture, what's the name of it now, AIC we call it. They conduct a number of training workshops. And it was from these training workshops that the idea came to me and led me to Scientific Research Council to get some guidance in developing the product. And then they referred me now to, they said they wouldn't accommodate it, but they referred me to rather industry, I think number, they do the drying and the milling, and that's for the scallion powder and the thyme powder, and also the thyme tea, they do the milling. So, but for the development of the tea, I consulted Jamaica Teas as the Scientific Research Council referred me to develop the thyme tea. And I went there and I brought thyme for them, the green thyme. They go through the process, develop the tea, and they send out samples. Even in Canada, the gentleman told me all over because they do a vast amount of tea, so they have they are known internationally. And so people love it and wanted it, but then he wanted to take it for himself. And then I said, no, the idea is like, it came from the farmers group. So I couldn't allow him to just take it and then we become slave to just supply raw material.
Yeah.
So that was what drove me along the road to develop the thyme tea. And then a farmer company, OK Bent All Natural. So that's the name of my company. So I went through all the process, open a company and have these in my name as my produce.
Yeah. All right. So as Mr. Bent mentioned, it has been a long struggle to get these products out to those who need it. He even tried to partner with someone who had access to those in Canada. The response was that they loved it, but the person was trying to get the idea and take it for himself and not include Mr. Bent. So our audience, we're calling on you to actually help Mr. Bent in whatever way you can, because the thyme tea, I've never heard of thyme tea before. As Jamaicans, we mostly just use thyme in cooking, but it turns out to be very beneficial, right? There's so many benefits. And Mr. Bent, can you talk about the benefits of your thyme tea?
Yeah, just go through the benefits. And this is from written by an international trained and certified raw food teacher,
Yeah.
wellness coach, and editor. She is currently the only certified member of the International Association of Raw Food Coaches and Teachers, teaches in Jamaica, and the ambassador of Entrepreneurship Caribbean. And that is being a Nagawaki.
The benefits of thyme tea are it's a great cough remedy. So that's a thyme tea, right? It also is effective for asthma, bronchitis, lung or throat problems. It is used for upset stomachs, flu, congestions, soothing nerves, insomnia. It reduces nightmares. It actually makes great aromatic tea and can be sweetened with a little honey. It helps with cramps, PMS, and also flow issues. It is a good tonic for strengthening the immune system and used in the treatment of multiple sclerosis, stroke, and paralysis. So it actually has great benefits that we're going to include to you so that you can learn more about thyme tea. Now we're going to get some thyme tea from Mr. Bent. Mr. Bent, how can they contact you if they need a thyme tea or if they need dried thyme or dried escallion?
My number is 410 3501.
Got it. So if you need thyme tea or any of these wonderful products, you can call Mr. Bent directly or you can go through our store because we're going to partner with Mr. Bent to get his products out. So help Mr. Bent with his great product and getting it out to the international market. We can do it together as a team, as a group, and work on upon you to help Mr. Bent get his thyme tea to the world. All right. So this has been another episode at Destination Jamaica. Links and info in bio. We will see you next time. So thank you, Mr. Bent. All right.